Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Japanese stocks managed a small gain as the US dollar's upward momentum against the yen waned, while the Australian dollar hit a fresh 11-month low. The US dollar's failure to gain new ground against the yen continued to weigh on Japanese stocks. The Nikkei stock average was up only 0.3%. Despite the tepid end to the week, Japanese stocks once again outperformed their Asian peers, gaining 3.2% so far this week. The only other regional market to come close to Japan's performance was South Korea's Kospi Composite, which is closed for a public holiday on Friday. Stocks in Seoul were up 2.2% since last Friday, as the market was buoyed by local car maker, recovering from declines brought about by the yen's depreciation against the dollar. Australia's currency was last at $0.9745 US, continuing its overnight slide to its lowest level since June last year. The currency has weakened sharply in recent sessions as the Reserve Bank of Australia's decision to cut interest rates to record lows continued to weigh on the currency. In addition, disappointing economic data out of China has encouraged selling of the so-called commodity currency. The US dollar, which had been stronger in recent sessions, was little changed against the yen at 102.25 yens compared with 102.24 yens late Thursday in New York. The US released weaker than expected economic data overnight, including housing starts and the Bank of Philadelphia's May Index of Business Activity. The macro week ends with a quiet Friday. The main news event for today is University of Michigan Index of Consumer Sentiment. US May Michigan Consumer Sentiment 1355 GMT. The consensus forecast for the preliminary sentiment index is 78, a slight rise from April's 76.4. The data stream has been disappointing recently. Perhaps the market has probably revised expectations down to 74 area. The monthly sentiment numbers have pretty much followed the slow recovery, climbing slowly higher but in a volatile fashion. Consumer demand remains a very important component of growth prospects. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.